After making that portion of the gearbox level, I removed the selector plate and I used the original ETU screw and I screwed it back through this side to reform the threads after grinding it, because you can't with this soft metal. Oh, another bearing just fell out. With this soft metal, you want to rerun the screw back through here. You don't want to just take either of these Titan screws and just send it back through. You'll mess them up probably. This is an M2 bolt, screw, whatever you want to call it. Here's the measurement if you don't believe me. See? 2 millimeters. So when you're mounting your gate Titan and you're using the original mounting kit, you want to use the M2, not the M2.5. You will want to remove these 4 posts and make them flush with this surface. And then in this corner of the gearbox, you want to remove this entire part and also make it flush, because the actual corner of the Titan board here will hit it. This is my installation process so far. I have only used one installation washer on one of the M2 screws from the gate mounting kit. I did not use any additional metal washers, and it is flush with the bottom of the gearbox shell. Then, as far as how I did the wiring, the black battery lead is on the very bottom of everything, then the small wire, and then the 2 motor leads on top. Over here, it is a rather tight fit, so I decided to take the red battery lead and bend that through first, and then the black one. As far as these 2 wires are concerned, you want to make sure that the pinion gear of the motor will not catch it on either insertion or extraction, because if these are ever up higher, you want to pull your motor out, it might catch these wires and destroy them. Here is the CYMA Platinum CM097 with a freshly installed Gate Titan Basic on binary. Pre-cocking is off. There's the adjusted max trigger, and here's binary.